Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up auto sell on Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account and locate the trade section. From there, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell automatically. After choosing your asset, click on the sell option. You'll then see a choice for repeat sell, which is what you need to set up recurring transactions. This feature allows you to automate your selling strategy effortlessly. Now let's customize your auto sell. You'll need to specify the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell each time. Then choose your preferred frequency, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly to match your financial goals. Make sure to select the correct fiat currency, like US dollars, for your sale proceeds. Always take a moment to review all the transaction details, including any associated fees, before you confirm your setup. Managing your recurring sales is straightforward. You can easily access all your active auto sell orders through the Recurring Buys and Sells menu in your account. This section allows you to make adjustments, such as editing the amount or frequency, or even pausing an order if your strategy changes. If you decide to stop an auto sell entirely, you can cancel it at any point without incurring any penalties. It's crucial to monitor market conditions regularly and adjust your auto sell strategy as needed to optimize your returns. Always ensure your linked bank account is current and verified to avoid any delays in receiving your funds. Also, remember that life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Setting up auto sell can be a powerful tool for consistent portfolio management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.